So this week on Enock and Jaqi, we take you to Fort Porcher City.
So, we had 3 days and 2 nights in Fort Porter, and our first night was at Lodge Bella Vista, and then our second night was at Home Bliss.
And that is where we'll start from. Home Bliss, we're going to give you a room tour of what it was like to spend a night at Home Bliss. Let's check out how homely this is. This room is a beauty. It's so executive. If you look around that bed, our net is
Canopy.
It's a canopy. I love the wood that has been put around it, and this is Home Bliss. We have 2 bedside tables. I do love our bed. It's real wood, like it's beautiful wood, but clean, fine lines. This is contemporary. You know, it can be wood and African or boho that run next rough. But this is sleek. Before I take you to my favorite, like I love 3 things. My favorite, I love our accent chairs, which you're going to see in a bit. I love the rug. I love the curtains. I love the lamp. Our bedside lamp is really cute. I don't know how I knew to wear some turquoise on it, but the rug is a turquoise blue. It's beautiful, and so are the accent chairs. We do have a screen, we have DSTV in here, and we have a beautiful plants along there. So it's a simple room. It's not congested, but it's classy, it's peaceful, it's sweet. Let's show you the bathroom. So we have a laundry bag right at the entrance of our bathroom, which is really cute. It's also contemporary and clean, as you're going to see. The colors do match. It's a really cohesive room. It's a white shower curtain. I love this. We have a beautiful mirror. I'm able to see myself in this white mirror. Here. This toilet is really cute, clean and neat. You have a silver bin and a nice toilet right there, and beautiful white towels, as should be. So that's so beautiful. I had missed this. I love. Look at the, you see the shower head is really beautiful. Home Bliss shower gel, Home Bliss shampoo. These guys are really African collection. The African collection with lemon, grass, extraction. These guys are African contemporary. I love. So we have shampoo and the soap dish. Guys, we're importing the best bathroom, best toilet. Pay attention. Look at the soap dish. Neat, clean, white. Their products are African collection. So I guess that's somebody from Fort Porter that's supplying this, which is good. Sustainable tourism. And it's beautiful. Yeah, this is senses, room scents, room fragrances. I love it. Naki, what do you think?
Lovely.
It's awesome. So home decor tip, if you are putting up your pictures or wall hangings, you see from Enock's head, is it on this seat? See the distance. It shouldn't be so far from the head or from the seat, because I realize a lot of us put our wall art like really far up, unless you're doing like a gallery of sorts. Like I'll show you our mirrors, there are 3. If you're creating a gallery, that's okay. It would come from up to down, or it's a huge piece. If it's just one, like we did, one cute piece, just not far. And if I stand, it's not far from my eye as well. We have a double closet. He's in the house, so don't mind. Mine just has a backpack, and we have all this space, and snacky shoes. They have all that storage. So that's a closet, and this I love. This is hidden storage. Guess what's in there? It's a little refrigerator. Isn't that cute? This keeps it cohesive to this. It's really neat. And we have the kettle. We were able to take tea all night. Different teas, different flavors. These guys are really on point. Strawberry, white nut, whatever, green tea. We had it all, and we have a cute trash bin here. Trash can. So it's still about wall art. You see these 3 mirrors. We have tried to create a gallery. 1, 2, going up. You could even put all the way up if you wanted to. That will still look cute, but see how they try to keep it not far from the floor, not so far, just in between. There is a balance, so that's the technique. I always share tips from the different interiors we find and the different rooms. This is Port Potro City Hopping. Enock and Jaqi is the channel. To subscribe, my name is Jaqi the Way, and we are a travel couple. We do this for fun and for business. Ciao, ciao. Hope you enjoyed the room tour.
So, still to come on Travel with Enock and Jaqi, Fort Porter edition.
The people we meet, and there we'll talk to some experts in the industry telling us about the COVID-19 effects on the travel industry. We also get to share our experience of the week. We get to bump into an engagement, and we will share a travel tip.
Enjoy.
I'm Humza Latif, one of the tour guides in the western part, and I work with One Touch Safaris. The effect of lockdown in this tourism section, first of all, it has reduced the revenue, whereby some of the national parks have been closed. Secondly, we no longer receive guests as we used to receive guests at first, whereby the turn-up now is all about domestic tourism, which has just even happened recently. At first, before the lockdown, the numbers of tourists were high compared to now. So now you can even spend like 2 months without even having a booking. The people who have interest during that time, they used to be many. Like I can get like 50 people in a month. Okay. And sometimes we used to get schools which come for geographical tours, compared to now whereby we don't have schools. The bookings are limited. So now it's getting to 1.5 months. But then the turn-up is not so convincing as we were expecting.
This is the CEO of One Touch Safaris, and his name is Josh. What has been the effect of the lockdown to tourism in general?
People who visit this country come from different parts of Africa and Europe and all that. And then we also have domestic tourists. So because of the lockdown, everything was shut down. We were crippled. So we had a major setback. We are just positive that we are alive. People are responding to our call to just get on the road and travel to any simple place and something affordable.
So, have you been to any of these places? If so, please share your picture. We would like to see your experience.
Amazing. And if there's something that you think we should know, a place we should check out, or an experience we should have or be a part of in Fort or any city, DM us on Facebook or WhatsApp, text us on the numbers on the screen. Coming up is our travel experience of the week, a hike at Amabere Ga Nyina Mwiru.
So, this is our travel tip of the week.
Whatever you do, travel with someone that you love or somebody that makes you happy. In fact, at our first night at Lodge Bella Vista, on our first night at Lodge Bella Vista in Fort, we got to witness an engagement and a lot of beautiful happy moments because these people traveled with people they love.
And finally,
That's all we had time for this week. Thanks for watching. We've had such a good time. Let's connect to another experience, another destination.
all right, you can connect with us on social media.
Ciao, ciao.
Baby, one like a single. Jango to like a bimbo. Why tonight come wake up? On the gecko with dimple. Baby, one like a single. Jango to like a bimbo. Why tonight come wake up?